We had a committee meeting to review regulations that were necessary for the bag tax. We're 7 months into the program. I had just come from a Council of Governments meeting in which there was a discussion of bag taxes across the region and across the country, and there was a review of what a lot of other jurisdictions are doing. As you may know, some jurisdictions have banned plastic bags completely and tax paper 10 cents. There's a wide variety of approaches. An increasing number of communities are embracing this. And what I made clear at the committee was that I remain very supportive of this. I am proud of our county for taking this initiative. I believe it's critical to changing people's consciousness, to shifting people to a more sustainable consciousness. We need to promote that, and I believe a bag tax is the most appropriate means of doing that. At the same time, I believe that we have a responsibility not to overreach and to make sure that we achieve what we want to achieve without making people resentful of how we go about our business. And I confess I'm one of those people that when we're talking about a 5 cents tax at a Macy's, when you're going into a department store to buy bedding, it isn't a context in which I normally think of people bringing their reusable bags. And so I ask myself, is this really bringing about the desired result, or are we just aggravating people? So what I asked was that when we are done with our first full year of implementation, that we step back and ask ourselves collectively those kinds of questions and see whether or not this very good program needs to be tweaked. And that's what I expect good government does, which is when you have a new program, you review how it's doing, and you want to make sure that you're not doing more than you need to do and that you're doing what you want to do well. So it's really just good government, from my perspective, to ask those kinds of questions. And that's what I expect to happen at the end of a year.